If your Govee Smart Bulb is not working or not connecting to the Govee Smart Home app, then first make sure that your bulb is powered on. Next, check whether your smartphone's Wi-Fi is enabled. Secondly, make sure your phone is connected to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only and not to the 5 GHz network, as it is not supported. Also make sure the smartphone is close to the device when connecting for the first time, and it is recommended that you check the Wi-Fi password, as sometimes entering the wrong Wi-Fi password can cause this issue. Moreover, the maximum distance between the bulb and the router should not be more than 50 feet. If it is more than that, then it is recommended that you install a Wi-Fi extender. You can also change the Wi-Fi security type on your router. If it is WPA3 PSK, then change it to WPA2 PSK. Moreover, if your router's Wi-Fi SSID or password have any special characters, then we recommend you to put a simple SSID with alphabets and number, and same goes for your password. So do not put any special characters in your SSID and password. And lastly, you can try to change the channels on your router, and one of these will surely resolve your issue. Thank you.